David, what was your answer?
So it looks like SOAR agrees with me. So based on the first production rule, the goal is to escape. There are 2 outs. There's a runner on second, and there's no runner on first. So the goal is now to intentionally walk the batter. If the goal is intentionally walk, then we suggest the intentional walk operator. Nothing else adds any other operators, so there's only one operator selected, and so that's sent to the motor system. So it ends up selecting the intentional walk operator.
That was right, David. So note what happened. There were the contents of the working memory. Here were all the rules available in the procedural part of the long-term memory. And SOAR then matched the contents of the working memory with the antecedents of the various productions. Depending on the match between the contents of the working memory and the antecedents of the rules, some rules got activated or fired, as some people say. Depending upon what rule got fired, that resulted in perhaps firing of additional rules. So as David said, if the rule number 1 got activated because the goal became intentionally walk the batter, that then led to the activation of rule number 3, which was to select the intentional walk operator. In this way, given the set of contents of the working memory and the matching between those contents and the antecedents of the various production rules that capture the procedural knowledge, some rules get activated. And this activation continues until SOAR cannot activate any additional rules. At that point, SOAR is given an answer based on the consequent of the rule that matches a motor action. Note that SOAR just provided an account of how the pitcher decided on a specific pitch, on a specific action. Note that we have started with the goal of providing an account of how the pitcher selects on an action or how an AI agent will select on an action. So what is the account? Based on the goal and the percepts, match them with the antecedents of the rules that capture the procedural knowledge, and then accept the consequent of some production that matches some motor action. From some percepts, we have gone to some action.